Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Peppermint Patty from Peanuts. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a backwards C. So I'm going to come around and come down a little bit straighter and then back to create this kind of C shape for the nose. Then from there I'm going to come about right here next to it and draw a circle for the eyes. And I'll come to the top right here with a little circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Then I'm going to come right across next to this nose right here and draw another circle for the other eye. And same thing, a little highlight and shade everything else in. There. So now that I have the eyes in, let's come underneath the nose, a little bit lower. So say about right here, right underneath the nose. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a small curve for a sweet smile and cap it off. Then from there, I'm going to go above the eyes and say about right here, a little bit higher. I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this little curve and thicken it up. Same thing on the other side, right above the eye. There. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So right above the brow, we need to draw a curve. So I'm going to say the width of our eye and come about right here, right over the brow. And I'm just going to draw a curve just to start so we know what we're working with. Then from there, I'm going to extend this curve out a little bit more. So say about that much, and same thing here. Just start to go up, about right there. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead about in this area, start to bring a curve down. So framing her face, this is her hair. I'm going to bring it down past her mouth. I'm going to bring down a curve, and I'm going to pass it a little bit more because I know kind of like where I want to put her chin. So same thing on this side. Just draw a curve to frame her face. And I'm going to bring it below her mouth. So her chin I want it about here. So about right here, I'm going to go imagining a curve. So let's say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. And up. So now we have her face framed in. Then from there, before I forget, I'm going to give her some freckles. If you don't want it black, I think it's actually like a dark brown, but I thought it's just so cute, so I wanted to put it in with my Sharpie first because it's very distinct look that Peppermint Patty has. Then from there, let's go ahead and finish her bangs right here, her top part of her hair. I'm going to extend this out even further, and then about right here, I'm going to go up nice and high, and on this side I'm going to go up. So kind of drawing this almond shape, kind of reminds me of an almond. I'm going to go up nice and high and say about right here, round off the tip and connect there for the top of her head for her hair. Then let's bring this part down. We're going to come about right here, bring a curve down, and let's say about, and bring it to about right here. Just give it a little bit longer, and then bring this down, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect. So I'm just going to draw a curve and zigzag a little and connect. So same thing here, about right there, about same level, and once again come in. Draw a big curve coming down, and then about right there, once again, go ahead and connect. There. And then for some details in her hair, you can draw these lines. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big curve going up, and then another one about right here, and connect. And then same thing about right here. I draw another line and one here. just to add in some details. And same thing here. Bring it down, and about right here, add another curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and work on her body. So right in the center, I'm going to give her a little neck. I'm just going to draw 2 little angle lines right here. And then about right here, I'm going to cut it off, this long angle line. So I'm drawing her body facing the side. So about right here, I'm going to come down, and this is her collar. About right there, I'm going to come down, bring it down, go up, and connect for her collar. And then on this side, I'm just going to cut it off right about there with another angle. Go up, down, back, and in, just to finish it off. There. Not sure if it really makes sense, but we just need to make it look as if there's collar on both sides. So hopefully that looks okay. So then from there, let's come about right here. And we have one sleeve we need to draw. So about right here. And then here for her body. So her neck. And draw another curve. So this is the side of her body. And so about right here, let's bring this down. And we're going to connect it for her sleeve. Then we can bring this down more. Let's see, let's bring her hand about in here and here. So let's come back right here, give her a little thumb, and then finger, so come out, curve, curve, and connect. There. And just details, 1 curve and 2 curves. And then about right here, let's pop this out a little bit more. And about right there, let's go ahead and connect it for her shirt. And I believe there's some space here, so we're going to draw a little line right there to finish off our shirt. Then from there, let's come back to the other side right here, nice and thin on the side, to draw the other sleeve. So we're going to end about the same area. And right here, just a little indication of her hand, just tuck it in. Then let's draw her pants. So say we're imagining this is the center, so it's going to come down. So about right here, just going to draw a line for her shorts and come back right here. And let's connect. And then the other one, so come in about right here, just a little bit higher, very little. And draw the other leg. And then let's work on this leg right here. We're going to come about right here and here. So let's go ahead and come down, and then we're going to curve out to say about right here and curve in. So it doesn't pass this shorts right here. So it's about right there. And let's bring this down. And then about right here, we're going to draw a heel. We're going to imagine this foot. So right here, I'm going to curve. And I'm going to stop and draw a curve going up. So this is the band of our sandal. Another curve. And then this is continuing. And in. Then right here, let's just thicken up the sandal and just follow your bottom. There. And you draw a little curve right here for some detail. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So say about right here, just draw a curve for the other foot. And then once again, same thing. Come out. And about right there. And thicken it up and bring it in. And then once again, we have another strap right here. And a little curve right here for a foot. Okay, so and then one last thing right here on the shorts. I think there's a little stripe right there. And then for some details on her shirt, there's some stripes on her shirt. So we'll just come right here and just draw some stripes. There. And that is pretty much it, except I need to give her a heart, so I'll put one right here. Small little heart. To make her my Draw So Cute Peppermint Patty from Peanuts. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.